All right, we're up the street from the Weed House, 1415 Austin. Just wanted to take you a walk through a little behind the walls action of what we have going on here inside this house. As you can see, these types of houses are what we like. Wide open, full guts, where we can replace everything. We can update the mechanicals, the electric, the plumbing, the HVAC. This way, when we close it in and we have renters in here, we know exactly what's going on behind the walls. As you can see, we got the updated returns, the new plumbing stack, new framing. The floor's been completely decked out. It's completely level. A lot of these old houses, the problem is you got to go in here, redeck them, because over time, the beams start to sag. Our kitchen will be back here in the corner. As you can see, everything's brand new, end to end, and we can go upstairs. Up here, we got our 2-bedroom, 2-bath layout. Maximize the space so we can get the best rent. The more amenities we can provide, the longer our tenants usually stay. Everything here has been done up to code. You can see all the framing. We put in all of our new single hung windows, and finally, after everything, after we pass all of our mechanical inspections and our framing inspection, put insulation in here, get this place pass our insulation inspection, get this place sheetrock closed in, and get this place leased out.
With these 2-bedroom houses is we like to at least get 2 bathrooms up here, one in the hallway, obviously as a community bathroom, and then set one up as a quote-unquote master suite. Just at the end of the day, it makes renting it that much easier and faster. You know, they feel like they have a nice little private, bedroom up here with a nice big closet that Ian's standing in and I'm standing in the master.
And the follow-up is, two bathrooms is actually better than putting your laundry upstairs, because you put your laundry upstairs, your tenant overflows it. Next thing you know, you got tons of leaking water going to the basement. We always try to put the laundry on the first floor or in the basement, wherever possible. You guys ready to close this place in?